Hi boys and girls, today we are going to do hairy money with mixed coins. So last week our video showed how to count coins that were all the same, and this week we're going to learn how to count coins that are different values. So let's look at number 1. I have 2 nickels and 1, 2, 3 pennies. Remember, a nickel gets 1 hair because it's worth 5 cents. So I'll give both nickels 1 hair. And our penny gets a dot, and that counts for 1. So then we can start skip counting. 5, 10, now we count by ones. 11, 12, 13. So this would be 13 cents. Okay, let's look at number 2. I have a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents, and that gets 2 hairs. 5, 10. Another dime, that gets 2 hairs. 5, 10. A nickel gets 1 hair. This nickel gets 1 hair, and the penny gets a dot, and this penny gets a dot. All right, now let's start skip counting our hairs. Remember, we count by 5s for each hair. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now we count by ones. 31, 32. So this is 32 cents. Okay? All right, look at number 3. We have a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So we have to put 5 hairs on our quarter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The dime gets 2 hairs. So 2 hairs on each dime, and the pennies get a dot. All right, let's be careful skip counting our quarter because we have lots of hairs on our quarter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now we stop and count by ones. 46, 47, 48, 49. So this is worth 49 cents. All right, let's take a peek at our last one. We have 2 quarters, a nickel, and 2 pennies. Remember, quarters get 5 hairs. Take your time drawing your hairs on your quarters so you don't mix them up and you can see them neatly. A nickel gets 1 hair, and the pennies get a dot. All right, let's count these very carefully. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Stop and count by ones. 56, 57. So this bottom collection is worth 57 cents. Okay, I hope this helped you boys and girls so you can practice today on your seesaw activities.